ColorWhite. Brand Hillsdale. Product dimension 17dx17wx37h. StyleChair. MaterialWood. Finish TypeWhite. Whimsical yet traditionally styled chair. Features a white finish. Features timeless details. Assembly required. Overall dimensions, 17dx17wx36. 63h. Designed to grow with your child. Hillsdale Kids and Teen has the perfect solutions to grow with your child. Offering a wide range of bed sizes, storage solutions, daybeds, trundles, vanities and beautiful accent pieces that meet your child's daily needs. Designed and built with style and safety in mind, the collections and pieces are a perfect addition to your child's room. Top reviews from the United States. Superb. And pretty too. I was nervous about ordering this chair. It had numerous positive reviews, but the negative ones showed images of significant damage, including cracks etc., or worrisome problems with assembling, screws not fitting etc. Of course, those things are most likely true, and lemons can occur. I am sorry for those folks because life is hard, and no one wants to buy something which should help them and then have to deal with sending it back, getting refunds etc. However, in our case, we just moments ago, had a superb experience. The darling, very white, the vintage style chair is more perfect than I could have hoped for. It is sturdy, firm, and solid wood. It went together in 10 minutes. It is a really pretty chair for a daughter's white desk. It fits her feminine, maybe even Victorian style room as if it was designed for it. Furthermore, the assembly instructions were fantastic and in clear, fluent English. Also very impressive was cardstock, polished, colored instruction card, stapled to the directions that if you have any trouble there is a support team ready and very willing to help you with difficulties. Of course, having a perfect experience means we haven't had to check the support team out. But this experience makes me want to check out Hillsdale Furniture's other furniture.